Hello student, welcome in your recording class. Today I am going to start the new chapter number 2 from your science book. The chapter is teeth and digestion. So students, from this chapter we will learn about in our teeth, that is important body part of our body. So what you learn about this chapter? The kinds of teeth, the parts of tooth, how do you care of teeth, and the digestive system. Now our first topic is our teeth. We all take in food through the mouth. The mouth has teeth which help in biting and chewing the food. So, which part of our mouth help us to chewing and biting the food? Yes, the teeth. We do not have any teeth when we were born. By 2.5 years of age, about 20 teeth come up. So, when we are born, that time no teeth present inside our mouth. But when we are grown and our age becomes 2.5 years, that time how many teeth come out? 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth. Milk teeth are also called temporary teeth. So students, from this part there are so many questions will come. The first question, from which age the newborn baby the teeth is appear? The answer will be when a child or a baby becomes 2.5 years of age, then the milk teeth will appear in its mouth. How many teeth? How many numbers of milk teeth are present? Now 20. The answer will be 20. And why it is called a milk teeth or temporary teeth? Because this set of teeth are not present in our whole life. Okay? That is why it is known as temporary teeth. Next, as the child starts growing older, these milk teeth start falling one by one from the age of 6. That means the milk teeth appears when a child 2.5 years age, and again when the child grown up and it comes a reach 6 or 7 years old, then the milk teeth will be start fall down one by one. Slowly the new and bigger ones start growing in place of milk teeth. When all the milk teeth are fall down, then the next set of new teeth will be appear in our mouth. The second set of teeth form the permanent teeth. This is very important line. All of you underline it. The second set of teeth form the permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth. So, in our mouth, how many numbers of permanent teeth? Yes, 32. And how many numbers of milk teeth present in a child? There are 20. Okay? The milk teeth is also known as temporary teeth. Next, they remain throughout the rest of the life, are also known as permanent set. Okay, so permanent teeth are known as permanent set. Why? As they remain throughout the rest of the life. So from the first para we will learn that what are the teeth important for our body. Along to this, we are also learn that when a child born, then that time they have no teeth. And when the child becomes 2.5 years old, that time there are 20 mil teeth are appear in their mouth. And when the child grown up at 6 years old, then the male teeth will be fall one by one, and in the place of male teeth again the new set of teeth will be appear. There are 32 of number, and these teeth are known as permanent teeth. Okay, now the next topic is kind of teeth. If all of you are notice carefully inside your mouth, then you can see that in our mouth there are different types of teeth are present. All the teeth are not in same shape and same size. Why? Because they are all different types. So, there are 4 kinds of teeth in a permanent set. Teeth are mainly needed to bite and chew our food. Okay? So, why the teeth is so important for our body? Because the teeth helpful to us to bite and chew our food. Okay, this is the first step of our digestion system. If any foods we are not biting properly, we are not chewing it properly, then it will not digest properly in our body. Now, according to the kind of work they do, teeth are 4 kinds. So, that's I am told to you just now. In our mouth, there are different type of teeth are present. So, the different types of teeth have the different work also. And according to their work, they have different name. The kinds of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Again, I am repeat, all of you underline, there are 4 kind of teeth present in our mouth. The 4 types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. This is very important thing for this chapter. So all of you keep this 4 name in your mind. Now we will learn one by one all the types of teeth. So first type is incisors. So incisors, there are 8 incisors in all. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So how many total number? 4 and 4. Total 8. So there are 8 incisors. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Now I can show the picture to everyone, that is help to you understand properly. See, this is the upper jaw, this is the lower jaw. So you can see very clearly inside our mouth there are different shapes of teeth are present. Okay, so what among these, what are the incisors? The front 4 teeth. The front, when you open your mouth, which teeth are you see in the front? These are known as incisors. These are known as incisors. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are upper jaw. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are in lower jaw. So, total 8 incisors are present in our mouth. Okay. Next. Now, see. What is the function of incisors? They are used for cutting and biting our food. They are used for cutting and biting our food. Okay. So first thing you keep in your mind that how many incisors present in our mouth? There are 8 incisors. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. Then another thing you keep in your mind, that is what is the function of incisor? So they are used for cutting and biting our food. Okay. Now next, after incisor, which set of teeth are present? Canines. So how many canines are present? There are 4 canines. There are 4 canine teeth in all. 1 canine on both sides of the incisor. That means, see, here these 4 are incisor. Then canines are present beside incisor. See, this is the incisor. Beside incisors, that one is canine. Here in this side also, where the incisors are finished, beside the incisor, 1 canines are present. So, how many canines in upper jaw? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are incisors. And both side, beside the incisors, 1 canine are present. Okay. So 1 canine, then this side 1 canine. So 2 in upper jaw. Similarly, beside incisors, 1 canine present in this side, 1 canine present in that side. So total how many canines? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Total 4 canine. Now, canines are sharp and are used for tearing food. Underline this. What is the shape of canines? Canines are sharp and are used for tearing food. In flesh-eating animal, these canines are bigger and very sharp so that tearing flesh is easier. Okay. Next type of teeth, that is premolars. Pre means pehle. So which teeth are present before molars and after canines? These are known premolars. Molars के आगे जो teeth रहते हैं उसको कहते हैं premolars. There are 8 premolars in all. There are 8 premolars in all. 2 on each side of canines. So this is the canine. Beside canine, after canine, in this side 2 premolars. These 2 are premolars, and in this side also after canine 2 premolars are present. So in the upper jaw, how many premolars are present? 2 and 2, 4. In the lower jaw, similarly, beside canine, 2 premolars in this side, 2 premolars in this side. So total again 4 in lower jaw. So 4 and 4. How many premolars? 8 premolars. Okay. 2 on each side of the canines. These are broad teeth and help to crack food and chew it. When we eat some hard type of food, then we need to crack it first. So that time our premolars help us to crack the food. Next, and the last type of teeth inside our mouth, that is molars. There are 12 molars in all. There are 12 molars in all. So all of you can see that which type of teeth are maximum in our mouth, that is molars, 12 number. They are bigger, flatter and broader. They are bigger, flatter and broader teeth with a broader upper surface to chew and grind the food well. Plant-eating animals need to chew and grind the food a lot. Thus, they have well-developed premolars and molars. So, the main functions are do which type of teeth inside our mouth, that is premolars and molars, because the canines and incisors only tear or biting the food. But after that, which two types of teeth are chewing this food item or grinding the food item, that is premolars and molars. Now you can see very clearly here the shape of the different teeth. See, these are the incisors. Now next canines, premolar and molar. Okay. So all of you practice to draw this diagram. This is very important. The different shape of different types of teeth. This is very important diagram. All of you have to practice it. Next, I hope all of you understood how many numbers of teeth present inside our mouth and which teeth are doing which type of work. Now next, the parts of our tooth. Though we have different kinds of teeth, all our teeth have the same basic structure. When we open our mouth, we can see our teeth. What we see is not our entire tooth. It is actually only a part that is visible to us. Each tooth has a crown and a root. The crown is the part we see, while the root is the part inside the gums. The gums hold the teeth in their places. So, what is saying here? That means when we open our mouth, which part we are see, that is not a total entire part of the tooth. We can see only the crown part, only the upper portion of tooth. But inside the gum, this is the gum, this is the gum. So inside the gum, the left part of the tooth is present, that is root. Okay, see this picture. We can see only this part, the white part we can see. But under the gum, we cannot see. These are the root portion. Okay. So this is also very important. The structure of tooth. The structure of tooth, that is also important. You can practice it. So this part is crown that we can see from the outside, but this inside part we cannot see. This is the root portion, and where the roots are attached, the gum hold the root of the tooth. Okay, understood everyone? I hope all of you understood up to here, right? So all of you reading this chapter first up to here. Okay, thank you students for watching this video, and in the next class I will continue the left of the chapter. Thank you. Bye bye.